When I think game day, I think tiny, poppable, servable appetizer, kind of like crunchy deliciousness. How about you, CJ?
Whatever it is, just with the "-able" at the end. Poppable, shareable, appetizerable.
Desirable.
Oh.
In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make these really delicious pockets of deliciousness. We're going to make some antipasto egg rolls. Simple, delicious, easy. Should we ding it and bring it?
Ding it and bring it, bro.
Here we go. Let's do this.
All right.
You hear me say it all the time, a quick fix is the way to go. This one truly is a quick fix. CJ, should we just jump right in?
Well, it's kind of like what we always say, so let's
Today we are working with these beautiful little egg roll wrappers. Let's just take one, or maybe two. We'll take two. So we're gonna take two of these little guys. You can find these in your grocery store. It's typically near where you would find tofu in the produce section, refrigerated section.
Because I'm always looking for tofu.
All right.
Who looks for tofu and knows where that is?
In the comment section below, I want you to berate Mr. CJ Freight. Tofu is delicious.
Oh gosh, dude, this is gonna backfire on you. And thank you everybody for in advance.
Okay.
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 So we're gonna turn these this away because we're gonna roll the diagonal version. So I've got some Italian sausages. The first thing I'm gonna start with is a bit of these beautiful, I have three. I have some coppa, I have some soppressa, and I have some salami. Now you don't wanna go too far. So I'm gonna keep it kind of centered just like that. I'm gonna take a bit of fresh basil.
Basil?
Dude, we're already cruising. I feel like we're
are
just cruising right through this recipe.
Yes.
A little bit.
We just got started.
I know, we literally just got started. I'm gonna move this one out of the way because I want to do some fresh Parmesan.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Now, Betty, I am a huge fan of yours and I 100% agree with you on fresh shredded cheese.
Oh, of course.
But I am gonna take a shortcut on the mozzarella.
Mozzarella?
Mozzarella. I can't do it.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella, can't do it. A little bit of fresh Parmesan just over the top. Now here we're gonna get into a few fun ingredients. These are more salty, almost condiment type ingredients. The first one is giardiniera. Now this is how would I describe this? It's like an Italian staple. Get in here really close, buddy.
To me, since I've technically never had this, feels like an Italian relish.
Yeah, you know what? That was a haiku.
Garth, that was a haiku.
It was right on point. That's exactly what it is. So I'm gonna add this right over the top of my cheese, just a skosh, because we're gonna roll this up. We don't want to overfill. Come on now, I'm gonna add a little bit more here. This is gonna give us a bit of salt, a little bit of vinegar, and to add the saltiness, we're gonna add just a couple. What are you owing?
The olives. Really? I wanted to eat one of these.
You know, it's funny. Inside I was like, oh, your battery died? Oh, we weren't filming? But you're complaining about the olives. In the comments below. Come on, man. They bring a really beautiful saltiness. We're gonna add just a couple. Well, that's too many. That's also too many. We'll add 3. We just want to touch, just like that. Okay. All right, now the last little bit I want to add is, sorry, Betty, all the Italian lovers out there, I'm gonna add some mozzarella. I'm just adding kind of like a
Are we saying sorry
pull.
because it's like a
It's not shredded, it's pre-sliced, but come on, take it easy.
Take it easy.
I feel good about that.
Okay.
That looks really good to me.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's put it together.
Here we go. I'm gonna take a bit of water. This is a fun trick. When you're working with wonton wrappers or egg roll wrappers, a little bit of water on the corners, just on the edges. This is gonna help us activate that kind of sticking power. The water's gonna act like a glue.
Is it starch that's sticky? What is it?
Yeah, the starch starts to activate when it's wet, and then when it attaches itself to something else that is also wet, it gets sticky and holds itself together.
That's so scientifically true, but it doesn't sound
Silly.
scientific at all.
All right, so we're gonna start with our sides. Bring one in, bring one in. Not too tight, we want these to be a little long. Stick those together. I'm gonna start at one end, fold up over the top, let it stick. Then we're gonna roll on top of themselves. If you notice it starts to get a little wide at the end, you can just tuck that in a little bit, just like that. Keep rolling. Keep rolling, and we are donezo.
Show me that baby.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Right? Really simple, really elegant. Now let's do that 6 more times. We're gonna take our wonton, we're gonna add some of our sausage, we're gonna add basil, we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese, we're gonna add a little bit of that giardiniera, some of those olives, and finish off with a bit of that mozzarella. And we're good to go. Let's do this 6 times. 6 sounds good, right?
That's a great number.
Let's do 6.
Even nice round number.
It is. Want to get to the air fryer?
Yes.
Have a drink first?
Yes.
Let's get to the air fryer.
Okay.
I've got my air fryer set to medium high heat. Let's go ahead and grab one basket here, buddy. I'm gonna set it up here on the griddle top, and I'm gonna bring my egg rolls over to my basket. We don't really want to crowd these. You think we can fit 6 in one basket?
I think it would probably be wise to just do 3 and 3.
I like to live dangerously.
I also like to live dangerously.
Look at that.
Danger's my middle
Stay
name.
right there.
No. Danger's my middle name.
Dude, you actually did it.
I got Trace Moss. Did it. Look at that. So we could technically do 12 at a time, which is good news. Now I'm gonna grab my nonstick griddle spray, and we're gonna give these a spray on top. This is just gonna give us a little bit of extra crust, a little extra browning, which is what we want. Let's pop these into the air fryer. Again, I'm at medium high heat. We're gonna let these go for about 8 minutes, but there's one last thing I wanna do. You know, it's funny, I said Trace Moss, that's Italian. I should have said that in Italian. I'm gonna do a little bit of sauce. I said I wasn't gonna.
Jeez,
I said I was gonna be simple.
Complicated
These
all the time.
are probably the most versatile accessory that we make.
Yes.
These little guys. This actually goes in the back grease trap liner, but I'm gonna use it to melt a bit of butter. So I'm gonna take some of this beautiful fresh garlic. I'm just gonna take 1 clove. Fresh garlic's definitely the way to go. If you wanted to, you could go with garlic powder, or if you, man, this is a tight cheese. Here we go.
Whoa. You hurt yourself, didn't you?
No, but it just came out beautiful like that. Look, hello. Hello.
There.
Just one little guy. Yeah, you could use garlic powder if you wanted to, but fresh garlic is definitely the way to go. I like to take the end off, give it a smash, and it peels really easy. Just like that. Should we cut it up a little bit?
I would say just do a quick chop.
Yeah.
Not too much.
So there's something to be said about surface area. I could have thrown that whole piece of garlic in there, but accessing more of this surface area is gonna release more of the oils, therefore more of the flavors to go with my rosemary and my butter. You came up too early, didn't you?
No, I didn't. I was down.
You're getting bored?
Maybe.
Going on a snooze fest?
A little bit.
So I'm gonna take my little grease trap liner. You can use any aluminum pan that you find, or a little pot. I'm gonna throw some unsalted butter, some rosemary, and this garlic. And that is it. We're gonna toss this right on the griddle top. I've got 1 burner over to, it was like medium high heat. And we have quite a few minutes on those egg rolls. So this should be melted, just a couple of minutes. We'll take a brush over the top a little garlic or rosemary butter on egg rolls.
Okay. Okay.
Game day's gonna be good. You wanna ding it?
Ding it and bring it.
See you in 3 minutes.
Okay.
Turkish? It's 2.
It was 2 minutes 5 minutes ago.
I just had an apostrophe.
Lightning strikes your brain.
Sounds must have hurt. What does he say?
Must have hurt.
He says
No, he says, I think you mean epiphany.
Epiphany.
Lightning struck my brain.
I've just had an apostrophe. I think you mean an epiphany. Lightning has just struck my brain. Well, that must hurt.
I want to add just a touch more flavor. Now we have our Parmesan Ranch. I don't know if you guys have seen this one. This is super fun. If it's not available in your area yet, it will be in Walmart soon. We're gonna add some of this to our butter. It's new. I'm new, I don't know what to do. I'm new, I don't know what to do.
Oh, dude, that is that Joe Dirt?
It's the first.
Yeah,
We have not quoted Joe Dirt.
Yes, we have.
Have we?
We've quoted Joe Dirt.
We haven't used that quote from Joe Dirt.
There you go.
Oh, you're a quick one. We're back. Hey, welcome back. We're gonna adjust some of that beautiful seasoning right over the top. It's gonna kind of liquefied. I don't know if you can tell, but the consistency of this seasoning as compared to some of our others, it's not quite thick, coarse granules, which means it liquefies way easier, so that's gonna liquefy in the butter. Let's give it a stir. Got a little brush. This is what we're gonna use in just a bit. We're gonna give this just a few minutes to let all the oils steep out of the garlic and the rosemary to season that beautiful butter, and then we're gonna brush halfway through. So another 2 minutes, we'll brush our egg rolls.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
Okay. Do we have to ring to drink?
No, but the ring is just good.
See you in...
Yeah.
In 2 and 2.
It's been 2 minutes. Check out this bubbly goodness. This butter, rosemary, garlic action is fantastic. I'm just gonna scoot to the edge a little bit. I'm gonna bring my... Wow! Egg rolls are about halfway done. Look at all that beautiful color. Can you see that, buddy?
Oh, yeah.
So we're about halfway done. We're just gonna give a brush with that garlic herb butter. This is gonna help us 2 ways. One, with a ton of flavor, and also with a good bit of crispiness. That butter is gonna get golden, perfect, lovely. Is my hand right in your way, CJ?
Yep.
Oh, you like how it feels? All right, back into the air fryer we go. We're gonna go another 2 or 3 minutes, and we will be donezo. Oh, can you smell it?
Oh, yeah, the smell.
There
it was.
There it was.
There it was.
See you in 2 minutes.
Okay.
We've actually gone a touch longer. I'm about 10, 12 minutes, would you say? 12 minutes-ish?
Yeah.
Let's take a gander. Oh my goodness, look at these beautiful babies.
They look lovely and
crispy, delicious. You know, this is a lot of brown. A lot of sea is saying. You know that phrase?
No.
I'm gonna plate these up here. What do you think? We give it 4 on this little platter.
Yeah.
This is a really fun one. If you're going to a party, or if you're throwing a party, if it's just you, all by you lonesome to have these gorgeous, look at these little fun little guys. You know, I'm gonna take one more. Here, I'll leave this here for you, buddy.
Okay.
I'm gonna take one of these.
We're gonna open up one?
I'm gonna open one up.
Open her up.
Can you?
Yep.
Oh, crunchity goodness.
I
Let's
hear
see
it.
what we're working with on the inside here.
Yep.
Oh, wow, come on. Woo!
Oh, watch out now.
A touch warm.
Those are gonna
a little
be hot.
warm, aren't they? So we have this beautiful giardiniera in there. We've got the sausage. We've got the cheese. So lovely. So beautiful. You know, you could do like a little marinara sauce. Wait, where's Betty? Little marinade.
Yeah?
Little marinara.
What if you just dipped them in that butter? You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oof. A little bit of this garlic rosemary butter. Check this money train. Oh, wow. I really want to take a bite, but it'll burn my face off.
Do it.
No.
The cool kids are doing it.
Let's let this sit for 2 minutes and we'll take a bite.
Sounds good.
Yeah, this plate needs a little love. Just a little bit of love.
It does look like it could use a little.
All you need is love. All you need is love.
All you need.
Let's take a bit of that beautiful butter over the top, a little bit of Parmesan, and a couple of basil leaves, and boom, bam! What do you know?
Bickety bang is the word you're looking for.
That is the word I'm looking for. Hang on.
Wait, get it? There it is. Oh.
Bickety bang. Let's take a bite. I'm gonna give just a brush, one more brush of this beautiful butter, garlic, rosemary butter over the top, and we've got a little package.
A little nice, delectable
Hello.
morsel. Oh, I could hear that. Search for the words.
Crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious. Cheesy.
Okay.
Buttery.
You're onto something.
Delicious.
Uh-huh.
These are super fun. I'm gonna get down on all these, man. I'll share one with you.
Okay.
Will you eat these?
Yes.
No.
Dude. Crunch.
Crunch?
I'm ready for it. Let's wrap this up.
Okay.
Tell people to go to Teespring and to go to blackstoneproducts.com and to check out Todd's show, Betty's show, my show. But this is your show where you teach people to be a better cook, one cook at a time.
One more part?
Let's ding it and bring it.
Glad I'm here. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and a ton more. Check out everyone else's show. He said all the other good stuff. I'm Chef Nathan Lippy. Yeah?
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you hit the little bell icon next to the subscribe button, you will get a text message or an email every time we post a video. I'm Chef Nathan Lippy. This is Cookie Repeat, where we help you become a better cook. One recipe at a time.
Yes, sir.
See you guys in the next video.
All right.